In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life indicator on your Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent. Now if you change the oil yourself, or maybe you went to a mechanic and they forgot to reset it, you're going to need to know how to reset that oil life indicator. The vehicle doesn't automatically know that you changed your engine oil. So if you changed it yourself or took it to a mechanic and you drive off and on your dash it still says change engine oil, this is going to help you resolve that. I'll show you how to reset the oil life indicator so you're good to go. You're going to insert your ignition key, turn it to the on position, do not start the car. You'll see your dash light up, all your lights are coming on. Now you're going to push down on the accelerator 3 times all the way to the floor within 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to shut the vehicle off. Now if you have one of the upper models of Torrents or Equinoxes, there's another way you can reset your oil life. Go ahead and turn your ignition switch to the on position again. Now you'll notice over here in the dash we have a couple buttons. We're going to go ahead and hit the car with the I. And as you see over here on the dash, it says 100% oil life remaining. So there is another way you can reset it. All you do is hold down this check mark and you'll see it reset that way. Depends on what model you have, you can reset it either way. So that's how you reset the oil life monitor in your Pontiac Torrent or Chevy Equinox. Congratulate yourself on doing it yourself and not taking it to a dealer. You saved yourself a little bit of time and money. Thanks for watching. Now your oil change is complete. Congratulate yourself on a job well done. You've saved yourself some time and money by not taking it to a dealer or one of those fly-by-night oil change houses. This process should take you about 30 minutes. Now that your oil change is complete, that process should probably take you about 30 minutes. Now congratulate yourself on a job well done. You didn't take it to a dealer or one of those fly-by-night oil change places. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.